Good day, everyone. My name is Samudio A. Raven A, and this is a discussion of my answers on the finite state machine assignment.
Create a transition diagram and transition table that accepts only string that ends with ABBA. So, sa transition table natin, meron tayong apat na states kasi meron tayong apat na value which is A, B, B, A. Nire-represent ito kung paano gagalaw yung system natin from one state to another. So, dito, pinapakita kung paano nabuo ng system natin yung pattern na A, B, B, A. So, sa initial state, nag-start na yung system and nag-await tayo ng input which is A and B. Ito yung nagsiset ng base for all the transitions. So, sa initial state natin is meron tayong dalawang input which is A and B. So, nangyari, kapag nabasa na yung A, is pupunta na siya sa Q1 o sa state 1. And then, pabalik siya dun sa table para basahin, para malaman yung next move. And then, pag nabasa na yung pangalawang input, which is B, pupunta na siya sa Q2, which is the transition 2. And yung process na to is magre-repeat until na mabuo yung pattern na binigay natin sa system, which is the A, B, B, and A. So, sa problem 2, create a transition diagram and transition table that accepts only string that starts with AAB and ends with BBA. So, sa problem natin, meron tayong 7 inputs which is the AAAB and BBA. So, ang mangyari niyan is meron tayong 7 states. So, as usual, mag-i-start tayo sa initial state, which is the Q0. Diyan, mag-i-start na yung system and mag-await ng inputs. And tignan nyo yung diagram is may mapapansin kayong rejected. That means na yung string is, or yung input is hindi nagsisimula sa A, and B. Kaya i-reject natin siya immediately. Same goes dun sa BBA. Kapag hindi siya nag-end sa BBA, hindi niya pa na-reach yung final state. So, gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, kapag hindi siya nagmamatch or hindi nagmamatch yung string or input is i-reject siya immediately kasi hindi masusundan yung pattern. Yung system natin is under, magtra-transition, babasahin yung input, babalik sa transition table para gawin yung next move hanggang sa mabuo na yung pattern na kailangan nag-end sa BBA at kapag na-reach nyo na yung last state. That's the final transition diagram of the AAAB BBA pattern. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today.